going into the hive for the first time. We're going to see if we can find the queen, see how the bees are doing on filling out the frames, and probably replace some food.
And this time I'm going to see
That's right.
inside the hive.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta watch out for our food. Watch out! And guys, you want to stay calm when you're doing stuff with the bees. So. So I would recommend a smoker for this, since the smoke makes bees think that there's a fire and they'll try to hide. And I think they calm down.
Alright, looks like we got comb here. They're building in between. It's definitely not good. Okay, I was seeing we need to work from outside to in, so I'm going to start on this side. It's just smoking too much. All right, this is our first frame. As you can see, they're just starting to draw out a little bit of comb there.
And also the white stuff in the middle, we do not want.
You can see they've been busy drawing up comb there. I don't see the queen on this one, but I'm not experienced at spotting the queen, so oh no, I don't think she's there either. They're also drawing comb up back here. I'm not sure if I can get this one out of here. Looks like it's got comb up top, so we'll give it a shot, I guess.
We might have to break some of the comb.
I'm not sure what you're supposed to do in this situation. This is above my pay grade right here.
Ooh.
All right, as you can see, the comb is all funky. It's not straight across. They've got it doubled up or something.
I think they built that white comb.
Yeah, they did.
Ooh.
I don't see a queen on here, but it's starting to look like they've got some stuff stored away here. If you see at the top of this white, there's a golden, it's like top middle. There's a little gold in there, and I'm not sure exactly what that'll be, but see, this comb looks about what I'd expect to see. It's all drawn out straight. It doesn't look like it's doubled up. So I'm assuming that I did not space things out properly. But I am no expert, so I don't know.
And also be careful when you're putting the things back on that you don't squish any bees.
It is encouraging to see that they have not decided that they can't make a go of it here. That they're actually building out. They're building out comb. Looks like they're going to try and make it last here. So
hopefully we see the queen on this one. Ooh.
yeah, not a lot of real estate on some of these when you're pulling them out. All right, so this side looks good. Looks like they're building up the single bit of comb here. This looks like what I'd expect to see. I still don't see a queen, but I mean, there's just a pile of bees, so I don't know.
Oh, the back.
Yep, the back is completely covered.
And that
Looks like we have some golden goodness in here somewhere. So I don't know if they're got larvae in there. It's hard for a rookie like me to tell.
See all that golden stuff?
But I don't see a queen. So that does not mean she's not in attendance. There's 2 more frames still.
I think there's more than 2.
No, there's 2 more frames with bees on them.
Yeah, true. Oh yeah, guys, just so you know, we ordered 10,000.
Do you want to look at another frame, or are we good?
Whatever you want.
All right, let's look at one more frame, I guess.
Big pile of bees.
All right. This one is...
Ooh, there's a bunch.
Again, there's comb being built out. Doesn't look out of the ordinary here. Looks like they're just beginning.
Oh, the back.
Wow. There are a ton of bees there.
And that's only a little bit of our 10,000.
Oh, no, I thought I saw the queen, but if I had to guess, she was on either that second or third frame.
And the queen, like the part that's long on its back, the black part on its back, how to identify it's the queen is it's either a bit longer than the other ones and maybe a different color.
And I'm just going to pull this outside one out just to get a look at it. I doubt we got any bees over here, but it's worth a look. Just see if they've made it this far.
Oh, only one.
There's a single solitary bee over there, so yep, they're working in that middle third area pretty much. So
I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, look at all those bees.
I'm gonna smoke them a little more to get them to go back in there, and we're gonna push the frames together a little bit.
And then, wait, where's our sugar water?
Hopefully pushing the frames together will stop them from building in the wrong spots again. So
and also bees like sugar water, if you didn't know that.
yeah, there's so much comb here, like I almost don't have a choice but to just let them keep going. So
Dad, will we also be feeding them?
yep, we're gonna get out of that spot.
Me?
No, the bees.
I think we need some more fire in there.
Oh,
Did you squish some?
I squished one.
Oh. Yeah, guys, you want to make sure to not squish any, or they might get mad.
It's definitely not part of the plan. I wanted to switch out the entrance too. I don't know if I can get it though.
Oop. See, there's just a little bit of bees on it.
Look out, bees. Oh,
Did you squish some? Oh, I think I see the queen.
hopefully not. Hopefully she's not up there,
Why?
because it's just not good for her to be up there, I don't think.
Yeah, I think she's right there. That's the moon right there. It's a full moon.